Hey, it's Rashmi from Team Sukshmas. In the early video, I have brief about BK activity and the tag setting in the account. Now in this video, let's see how each activity points will reflect in your points table. Without wasting the time, let's move on to the first activity, that is the play quiz. To do it, just click on the participation tab and just followed by click on the start button. Once you clicked on it, start attending all the quiz question here. In the same way, I will answer all the rest of the questions. Yes, once it is done attending all the questions, then you can just click on the submit button. And here you can see the activity points reflected in the points table. The play quiz points has been added. The 17.55 point has been added for your points table, the activity which you have done. Okay, let's move on with the post quiz activity. I have considered an example of a quiz question followed by the tag format and the alternative options are mentioned. I will post the quiz question now. By clicking on the submit quiz. Yes, you can see the quiz question is successfully posted and you can see the points which is updated in your points table. The 10 points has been updated on the post quiz block. And also you can post normal questions, but it does not carry any points in this block, means in the post block. But it helps you to get a quality bonus points. Okay, and let's see the commenting activity. Even for this, I have commented for a quiz question with respective format and also making some of the points highlighting. Okay, let us post this comment now. Yes, you can see the comment has been posted successfully. And now in the points table, let's see what the reflection from that activity. Okay, you can see the 2 points has been added in the points table in the comment point block. Then we can see the clapping activity. Here I have already 0.6 in my clap points block, but let me show it up how the points had been reflected after doing the clapping activity. Let me clap for the question or a comment which is good so that I'll move on to my wall. Here we can see any of the questions being posted by a participant. Okay, we can appreciate this question. So let's see what the changes have been happened in our points table. Okay, the point has been added over here. Now it is 1.8 points. Okay, you can even do the remaining activity, but I have already a collection of points in my points wallet. I'm using it and also show how do we transfer and redeem the points from the points wallet. Yes, here you get the points wallet, guys. Just I'm opening it up in a new tab. Here, as of now, I have a clap point has 8.5. Let me redeem some of the points from my collection which I have in my points wallet. Okay, here I have a collection of clap points. Let me redeem it. Let me redeem 1 point. The maximum point you can redeem here is the per day is 10. Let me redeem. Okay, successfully it has been done. Here you can see in the points wallet. Let me refresh it. Okay, 9.5. As I said, like I have redeemed the point 1, so it was before 8.5. Now it is 9.5. This is how it is reflecting in my points table. Let me transfer some of the points to my friends and show it up how the transferring of clap it works. Let me enter my friend name. You need to enter your friend name just and enter the points, how much you need to transfer, and just click on the transfer button. Yes, successfully it is done. Next is if you need to know the history of your points when you have redeemed and when you are transferred and etc. Here you will get all the details about the points, particular points. Similarly for all the points you can do. And next is how you all can collect the points to your points wallet, right? The one thing you can take part in the live review by doing a BK activity like playing quiz, comment, post, And also if you take part in the Sunday activity, or else one more thing is if you do a activity, like example, if you do the clap activity more than the limit, the extra activity which you have done, from that a sum of percentage will be considered and given some points to that, to your points wallet. Regarding that, you can go through all the documents. We have an example for that, everything for all the document you can. Guys, the invitation bonus points collecting of that is quite different. The way of collecting the invitation bonus points is like, one, you can share up your achievement card on any of the social medias, or else you can have a 2 to 3 minutes of video of sharing your experience of the Sukshmas, and even that you can share in the social medias, and from that all you'll get the points. And one more thing you can do is you can refer your friends by giving your referral code. I'll show it up where you'll get your referral code. And the last thing is sending your play quiz invitation for your 10 of the friends. But the condition is all of them to have play the game, so that you'll get a point to your points wallet. This is how you can collect the invitation bonus points to your wallet. Yes, and the last thing is the points sleeve. The points sleeve, which helps you guys whenever you have a internals or exam, in that days you can just have a point sleeve, like take a point sleeve in the BK, so that you can be freely attend your internals and exams. So this is how it is helpful for you guys. It is considered like complete week average will be considered and credited every Monday of points sleeve for you. The way of collecting a points sleeve is, one thing, you need to be a regular for complete week, so that you'll get a points sleeve in the next Monday. This is how you can collect the points sleeve to your points wallet. And the next, I have said before, like I'll show it where you'll get your referral code and the achievement card. In the points table itself, below the points wallet, you can see your achievement card. Just download the achievement card and share it up in any social medias, so that you'll get a point. Next is the referral code. Here in the referral code, you can see above you'll get your code. You can share this to your friends, so that your friend will get 5% of discount in the plan which they are subscribing. Let me know much about the referral. The thing what beneficial for you guys is, if you refer your friend through your referral code, then you'll have a earnings for that. If you refer a plan of $3.99, then you'll get a referral earning of 50, and so on. And next is you will get a vouchers of, we have a milestone, like where if you like subscribe 25 participants within a week, then you will get a 500 voucher. Similarly for other all. This is all about the referral code. You can go through this for the much understanding in a detail. If you refer your friends, you'll get a even benefit by getting a referral earnings. This is all about the video, guys. If you need to know much about the BK, go through the videos which are there in the social medias, like YouTube channel, our Sukshmas, and the Facebook account. You'll get much more videos there. And have a happy learning with the Sukshmas. Thank you. See you all soon, guys. Bye bye.